If you're an 18-year-old with a laptop and zero clue about business, stick around because I've literally just pulled in over $200K in 1 month. Yes, you read that right. I know that number sounds insane, but stick around and you will see exactly how I did it from 0 to 6-figure months in under 2 years with no fancy degree or massive budget. Full disclosure, I am talking about revenue, not profit. But my margins are ultra high thanks to a super lean operation that keeps expenses minimal without a fancy office. My core team is just me, my business partner, and a couple of commission-only freelance sales pros handling outreach and qualification, no big payroll or complex structure required. If I can pull this off without a college degree or a huge ad budget, you can too. Let us dive right in and break down every step. Step 1 is niching down rather than trying to be everything to everyone. Pick one industry where you can deliver massive value fast and beat out generalist agencies. I chose home service businesses, roofers, HVACs, solar installers, med spas, and real estate agents because they have big budgets, hate cold calling, and see instant ROI. Personal connections speed up decisions. So if your mom runs a med spa or your uncle owns a roofing company, start there. Trust comes naturally and barriers fall. Step 2 is proof of concept. You need actual data, not theories to pitch clients. So run ads for your own agency like a mini beta test. If you cannot fund $25 to $40 per day on meta ads, get a side gig in retail, fast food, or gig work to build your ad budget. Use that budget to generate data, money in data out, create AI-driven video ads in under 30 minutes with no cameras, crew, or editing know-how required. Here is how my ads worked. I wrote a simple script targeting niche pain points like, are you a roofer? Frustrated with low leads, wanting to triple appointments. Then, I loaded that script into an AI video platform, picked a realistic on-screen presenter, and rendered the ad in about half an hour without studio time. Step 3 is pricing anchor your offer at a premium level up front. Then back it with tiered packages and flexible payment plans to remove friction. I charged $5,000 to $10,000 as a setup fee for a fully customized AI caller and agent built to each client's needs and data flows. Then I set a monthly retainer of $500 to $2,000 for ongoing ad management system optimization and continuous improvement based on call analytics. Every engagement carries a 3-month minimum commitment that ensures predictable revenue for my agency and keeps clients invested in achieving real results. You can tweak the exact figures to suit your market, but the key remains the same. High upfront value combined with flexible payment options to remove friction. Step 4 is creating and scaling winning ad creatives, with just 3 top performers flooding your funnel with quality leads rather than dozens of mediocre variations. Use ChatGPT to brainstorm 3 to 5 opening lines that speak directly to niche frustrations. Load your chosen script into an AI video tool to render. Launch on Facebook and Instagram with a clear call to action. Learn more, schedule a call, or grab a free guide, then track clicks and bookings. Within days, identify high-performing ads, invite more spend on those winners, and watch validation pay for itself, ensuring your message, targeting, and offer are rock solid. Step 5 is building a stupid simple funnel. I use Go High Level to create a direct-to-calendar landing page that converts at high rates. The page calls out your specific niche, includes an embedded calendar widget, and removes all distractions. 1 click, and prospects schedule a discovery call effortlessly. For colder audiences, add a quick lead magnet, step a free AI agency guide or case study before sending them to the booking page, sweetening the deal. Step 6 is automating follow-ups. You cannot rely on funnels alone because they leak leads the moment someone clicks but does not book. Send an instant SMS and email reminder with the direct scheduling link, then follow up 24 hours later with another nudge via both channels. Deploy an AI calling tool that rings and texts unbooked leads, and finish with a final reminder 1 hour before the call, doubling your show rates. Step 7 is the pre-call secret word hack. After a prospect books, they see a 2 to 3 minute video explaining next steps and expectation. I ask them to find a quiet spot, grab a pen, have data ready, and embed a secret word, blueberry, telling them I will ask for it. Anyone who cannot repeat the word clearly did not watch the video, and we politely reschedule, saving time and boosting actual attendance by around 20%. Step 8 is the discovery call framework. Start with rapport, discussing their current lead generation challenges, past attempts, and business goals. Then transition to a live demo. I showcase my AI caller booking appointments in real time on the prospect's system. Cue the aha moment when they see it working for themselves. Next, I outline my offer, $5,000 to $10,000 for setup, plus monthly retainers for ads management system tweaks and ongoing optimization work. Because prospects have already seen the demo and pre-call video closing rates naturally climb into the 40 to 50% range without sleazy high-pressure tactics. Step 9 is delivery timeline in rapid impact. Week 1 is a kickoff call, gathering business data, setting targets, and finalizing integrations to ensure alignment. In week 2, we build and test the AI workflows behind the scenes, mapping call scenarios and error handling for flawless performance on day 1 of launch. By week 3, we launch ad campaigns, fully integrate the AI agent into client phone systems, and monitor early metrics to secure quick wins and pace adjustments. From that point on, I host weekly check-ins, reviewing performance metrics, tweaking ad copy, optimizing targeting, and refining AI responses based on actual call analytics. Clients typically see booked appointments landing on their calendars within the first month, validating their investment, inspiring referrals, and generating powerful testimonials. Step 10 is hiring when you scale. By month 3, I bring on commission-only sales development reps from Upwork, handling initial qualification calls. I also add a part-time ad specialist to rotate creatives, handle split tests, manage budgets, and focus on continuous performance improvements. But until you hit consistent 5-figure months, you should own every role: ad buyer, funnel builder, sales closer, and fulfillment expert, mastering each step hands-on. That intense early phase teaches you more about real customer needs, system nuances, and optimization levers than any course consultant or YouTube tutorial ever could. Myth-busting moment. You do not need a perfect system before selling. I closed my first 5 AI packages before workflows were bulletproof, gathering feedback to iterate fast. Iterating in public allowed me to adjust pricing, positioning scripts, targeting, and more on the fly, outpacing competitors stuck in endless development loops. Step 11 is mindset. If you tell yourself, "I am just a team," you will limit your own ceiling and results. Waiting until everything feels perfect is a trap. Flip the script. See yourself as an innovator, delivering cutting-edge AI solutions. Speak with confidence, set clear boundaries, and own your value in every conversation. Clients instinctively pay more when they sense you deeply believe in the results you deliver and the impact on their bottom line. Now it is your turn. List 3 industries with budgets and pain points. Start with any family or friend businesses you have direct access to. Next, draft 3 to 5 hooks that speak directly to their struggles. Run a small-scale ad test with $30 per day. Build your funnel, automate follow-ups. Book discovery calls, close your first client. Deliver amazing results. Collect feedback and iterate your process based on real customer insights to improve continuously. That is exactly how I went from $0 to $200,000 in monthly revenue at 18, following these 11 steps without skipping any. No magic, no fancy degree, no massive budget. Just consistent action, rapid iteration, and unwavering confidence in your ability to deliver measurable results. So what are you waiting for? Customize this blueprint for your own unique angle. Take the leap today and watch your AI agency explode. I cannot wait to hear your success stories. Let me know which niche you are going after and share your first ad hook in the comments. Go make it happen. Apply these steps, share your journey, and prepare to scale faster than you ever imagined possible.